Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FXGuys token. Ticker symbol is FXG. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a full solid proof audit, and this token is live for pre-sale on their webpage FXGuys.io, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you go to their webpage, FXGuys.io, it says current stage of the presale is stage 2. Current price of the token is 4 cents USD. Next stage, 5 cents USD. This stage right now is 87.8% sold. And it says they've raised a total of $3,136,437 according to their webpage here. Now it says you can buy the token with Ethereum, with ETH, USDT, Sol, BNB, Bitcoin, MasterCard, Visa, all sorts of different payment options. It says they've been featured in Benzinga, Finbold, MarketWatch, Bitcoin, all sorts of different news articles. So if I click Buy FXG, takes me to a different page here, presale.fxguys.io. And they do have a white paper you could check out there. So it says funding promising traders worldwide. And yeah, so I clicked the buy. Why didn't let me buy here? Let me try that again. What's happening here? Okay, so you have to create an account, which is always annoying. So they make you put in your email, create a password, all that type of stuff. And you can connect your wallet. And that way, I guess they're going to email you updates about, like, when the token or when the pre-sale's ending, things like that. I generally do not like giving my info away. Crypto a lot of the times is supposed to be at least pseudo-anonymous, but you're welcome to do that if you like. But that's how you get the token, is you got to create an account. Then you would, connect your wallet. You punch in, like, say, if you want to spend ETH, how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many FXGuys tokens you get for that amount. And, click purchase when pre-sale's over, then you claim your tokens, right? So that's generally how it works here. They do have a white paper you could read at whitepaper.fxguys.io. So it says FXGuys News was actually launched in 2017 by a group of guys passionate about trading and strategies and sharing strategies. The goal was to create a community hub for traders to find relevant Forex news and engage with like-minded people to learn, share, and earn. We are now developing an ecosystem that will serve as the base layer of trading services required to execute with speed, transparency, and insight, blending and orchestrating the protocols that enable a decentralized future. So basically, we're fed up with the current state of the trading industry. Over the years, we have faced issues with prop firms and brokers, regulated or otherwise, including KYC hurdles, rogue brokers, prop firm insolvency, slow or no payouts, trading platform issues, and felt that we could do a better job with the help of a distributed ledger technology. So we are building a decentralized broker and proprietary trading firm that provides access to real trading capital and a custom platform with multiple assets, including crypto, FX, indices, and commodities, with fair dealing conditions and first-rate customer support. We are combining the reliability of TradFi, which is traditional, or TradFi, which is traditional finance, systems with the innovation of DeFi, decentralized finance, to create a PropFi, proprietary finance ecosystem to revolutionize an industry with layers of inefficiencies and unsustainable business models. Now, the digital prop trading space is relatively new, no more than 10 years old, but growing fast. It was estimated at $6.7 billion globally in 2020 and is projected to expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4.2% from 2021 to 2028, according to Forbes in 2024. If you want to join us, we'd be happy to hear from you. In the meantime, we will let our development work, the industry potential, and achieving our milestones do the talking. It says why FXGuys, goes over all this stuff here. Let's check out the tokenomics here. So it says we've designed our tokenomics with the goal of creating a sustainable demand for FXG token and incentivizing its use within our platform and ecosystem, which could positively impact its value over time. No tax, no KYC, no limit. So it's saying basically once you go to, it goes to Uniswap, because that's generally where Ethereum tokens go for decentralized exchange, that there's going to be minimal slippage, or if not no slippage, because of the no taxes. 18 decimal places on this token. It says total token supply 835 million tokens. 3% of those tokens go to the seed round, 3% legal, 6% team, 7% trader funding program, 8% private round, 10% listing and liquidity, 11% marketing, 17% staking and rewards pool, 35% public sale. Now, the staking mechanism is a self-sustaining ecosystem that can generate all the resources required to maintain the FXG token indefinitely. So traders create trading volume and earn FX tokens as they trade, which is trade to earn. Token holders can lock their tokens to gain access to trading volume profit share. Exchange their tokens to pay for trading challenges for a chance to manage a funded account worth up to $500,000 and sell their tokens for higher economic value. Now, they do have a security audit you can check out. They do have a full, very lengthy roadmap here. So it says their audit here is, looks like they have a couple audits actually. So you can check out their Ether scan. You can also check out a solid proof audit. They have a PDF report and a GitHub. And then they have a SOKEN audit as well, SOKEN. And FXGuys, all one word, is the name of the token. And FXG is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. You can find it on Etherscan. I just pulled it up. So go have a look at this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.